5 habits you must remove to earn respect. Respect. We all want it, but let's be honest. Respect isn't free. It's earned. And too often we're losing it not because we're bad people but because of the habits we hold on to. Today, I want to share 5 habits you must remove to truly earn respect. And instead of just listing them, I'm going to tell you stories. Because sometimes, one story teaches more than 1,000 words. Let's dive in. Number 1 habit you need to quit is constant complaining. Picture this. You walk into work, and before you can even sit down, you hear that one coworker. Ugh, the boss is impossible. The coffee is terrible. The workload is unfair. Every single day it's the same thing. Eventually you start avoiding them. Why? Because their energy drags you down. Now imagine someone else, same job, same boss, same coffee. But instead of complaining, they say, "Okay, this is tough, but here's what we can do to fix it." Who do you respect more? Respect doesn't grow in complaints. It grows in solutions. If you want respect, stop being the echo of problems and start being the voice of answers. Number 2 habit is the act of breaking promises. Let me take you back to when I was a kid. I had a friend who promised he'd always have my back. But every time I needed him, he wasn't there. He'd say, "I'll call you tomorrow." He never did. "I'll show up to your game." He didn't. Over time I stopped trusting him. And once trust is gone, respect is gone too. It's the same in adulthood. If you tell your partner, your kids, your coworkers, "I'll do this," and you don't, your words lose weight. Respect is built on trust. And trust is built on promises kept. If you can't keep a promise, don't make it. And if you make it, keep it, even if it costs you. Number 3 habit you need to quit is people-pleasing. Here's a story you might relate to. A friend of mine always said yes to everything. Someone needed money. He gave it. Someone needed time. He gave it. Even when it hurt him, even when it drained him. And guess what? People didn't respect him for it. They started expecting it. Some even took advantage of him. One day he finally said, "No." And you know what happened? Some people walked away, but the ones who truly cared stayed. And they respected him more because he stood up for himself. Respect isn't about pleasing everyone. It's about standing firm, even if some people walk away. Because the right ones will respect you for your strength. Number 4 habit that you need to quit to gain your self-respect is the act of speaking without listening. Think about the last time you tried to share something deep with someone and instead of listening they cut you off with, "Oh yeah, I had the same thing happen to me." Frustrating, isn't it? You walk away thinking, "Why did I even bother?" Now imagine the opposite. Imagine talking to someone who leaned in, nodded, asked questions, and gave you space to finish. Doesn't that feel different? Here's the truth. People don't remember everything you say, but they always remember how you made them feel. And when you listen, you make people feel valued. Respect starts with listening. If you want your voice to carry weight, first honor the voices around you. Now the last, which is the 5th habit you really need to quit, is lack of discipline. Let me share a quick story about discipline. There was a guy at my gym, he always talked big. "I'm gonna get ripped this year. Watch me." But he only showed up once every 2 weeks. Another guy never said a word. He just showed up every day, rain or shine, same time. 6 months later, the silent guy had transformed. The talker, same as before. Who do you think everyone respected more? It wasn't the one with the loudest words. It was the one with the quiet discipline. Because discipline, showing up, being consistent, earns a respect that words can never buy. So let's recap. The 5 habits you must remove to earn respect are: 1. Complaining. 2. Breaking promises. 3. People-pleasing. 4. Talking without listening. 5. Lack of discipline. If you remove just one of these habits, people will start seeing you differently. Remove all 5, and you won't have to chase respect. It will follow you. So ask yourself, which of these habits do I need to let go of today? Because respect isn't about demanding it. It's about becoming the person who earns it. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If this message spoke to you, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And remember, respect begins with you. Drop a comment, let me know which habit you'll quit today, and subscribe to get the next episode.